Welcome back, everyone. Most pet owners already know that animals make people feel good. But did you know your furry loved one can actually make you healthier?
Oh, yes, it can. Dr. Srinivas Iyengar, a cardiologist at the Bradenton Cardiology Center and Daytime's resident doctor, is here to tell us all about the healing power of pets. And you have brought your furry friend, Hamish.
I have. Today, this is Hamish, and he's from the Southeastern Guide Dogs. And this is a great dog, as you can see right here. He's a breeding dog, as well as a therapy dog, as well as an ambassador dog for the program. And I want everyone to know at home, if you want to know a little more information about Hamish and the great work they do at Southeastern Guide Dogs, to go to guidedogs.org. So check out some more information.
We can also watch Daytime because Cindy's done a number of stories with them as well.
I love that organization. Let's talk about your experience. You work in a hospital where guide dogs, or not guide dogs, but therapy dogs are used. What kind of difference are they making?
Well, see, that's the thing. Animals for thousands of years have interacted with humans on a pet-human relationship, shall we say. And we've known that people feel better just dealing with pets on a general day-to-day basis. We've seen, though, in the last 20, 30 years, medical evidence has proven that dogs such as Hamish and other dogs like this that come to the hospital that see patients can actually make people less stressed out. They lower the blood pressure. They just make people feel better. And it's such a good thing to have because, like I said, in the hospital, it's a very stressful environment.
And so I'm assuming when you bring them home, if therapy dog's home, it really helps you a lot as well.
Absolutely, because companionship is something we don't stress enough about in life. We tell people, listen, if you don't have a loved one, well, a pet is a loved one. And it really does reduce that stress level when you have at home. Just even if it's not a dog, a cat, even a fish. Any type of animal interaction will actually reduce those stress levels.
I gotta say, so relaxed right now, we could fall asleep.
When I walked into the green room, nice to see you, but honestly, Hamish was the one that really made me feel super, super calm right away, and it really has an amazing effect on people. Not only will it calm you down, though, but they're really great to get you moving as well to have a pet.
Absolutely. When it comes to pets, dogs obviously need to be walked. They need to have some type of exercise in that capacity. So taking an animal like this outside will keep you in shape of some sort because you need to be taking care of it. Now, though, the other alternative is if you're someone who can't move out, can't do exercise, using something like cats who don't need as much care, that would be something that obviously you can keep in your home, but keep the companionship, but doesn't necessarily need the amount of work as a dog might.
Okay, but not a rabbit or a gerbil or something. I mean, who knows? A gerbil you can't train, but is it pretty much specific to dogs?
No, because we've seen a number of animal interactions with humans that have been positive. It can be from pot-bellied pigs, it can be from fish, like we mentioned, koi ponds, and as big as horses, actually. We've had a number of children that have worked with horses that are autistic, or shall we say, people who have communication problems.
Sure.
And these animals have really opened them up to a lot of people, and it's really amazing because we really don't know the answer, but we know it works.
We have a fish here at Daytime. I know Rob Schweitzer's gotten very attached to the fish. His name is Kyle. Yes, he's even got a name.
Yes, he does.
And we've all kind of taken responsibility, but really, Rob's the one who's taken Kyle under his wing.
I can't believe Kyle's still alive. Everybody started overfeeding it.
we almost killed it with kindness, but no.
How much time do we actually have to spend with the animal to really get the benefit out of it?
Well, see, that's another thing, too. In the hospital, these dogs come by and maybe spend 2-3 minutes, and yet you can see the smile on the patient's face. You can see that it's made a difference. So I'm going to say any amount of time is positive time with these animals.
The patients get a lot out of it, but what are the animals getting out of it?
Well, the love and tenderness and the care of the people taking care of them. And, hopefully we'd like to believe that the animals know that they're doing something very positive. And the fact that they're doing something positive reflects on the people who take care of them.
I think they know. I think they know when they go to work that they love doing it. I really do.
Can you go to somewhere like the Humane Society and find an animal that you think will be a good therapy dog and then put him through a therapy program?
I will defer that usually to the Southeastern Guide Dogs associations, as well as the associations in the hospitals that run therapy dogs, because they do have, these dogs go through a rigorous process of getting trained to be a therapy dog. Not every dog, even the minority of dogs, probably end up being candidates for therapy.
Right.
But there are a lot of pets that need to be adopted. So yes, I do suggest going to the Humane Society if you just want a companion.
Can Hamish, thank you. Hamish, can you give a hug? Hamish.
Hug?
Hamish?
Hamish, actually, I think maybe, here we go. Here, Hamish.
I think
he's looking at his handler, I think. Hi, Hamish. Can you give a hug?
Hug. Can you give a hug?
What do you have to, oh, you have to do that?
What do you do?
Hamish,
like
look.
On the shoulders.
Do the shoulders.
Shoulders. Hug.
Hamish.
He's like, get away from me, crazy lady.
That's okay. We know he can do it. I saw it in the green room. Hey, if you'd like to learn more about pet therapy, find Dr. Iyengar on Facebook by going to our website, daytimeonline.tv. We'll give you lots of hugs.
We'll be right back.